Hello, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Anushka, and this is my YouTube channel. You must have already read by the title. This is a Q&A video all over again because there are a lot of new subscribers on my channel who do not know shit about me. So I am going to introduce myself all over again. I'm going to answer all of your questions. I had put up a story on Instagram yesterday to ask me questions for my YouTube video. एंड मुझे नहीं लगा था इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस आ जाएंगे. आई वाज लाइक एक्सपेक्टिंग अराउंड 50 to 60 questions, but to my surprise there were 101 questions that you guys have asked me, and it's crazy, and a lot of questions are really interesting. A lot of people do not know anything about me, so today in this video you might get to know me better, or you might actually get to know me. Without any further ado, let's get started. मुझे बाल बांधने तो बहुत गर्म हो रहा है यार. My claw clip so cute. यार मेरे बाल ही नहीं आते यार, इसमें क्या करूँ यार मैं. Okay, perfect. So starting off with my very basic introduction as to who I am, what I do. Yeah, so the audience, the YouTube family that I have gets to know me really better. Hi, for those of you who do not know me or maybe know a little about me, my name is Anushka Devdhar. I am a part-time content creator or maybe a YouTuber. I love being called a YouTuber. It just does something else to me. I started content creation in the year 2022, and since then I have been creating content non-stop. In case you're not following me on Instagram, please do. And I'm very close to hitting 5,000 subscribers on YouTube as well, which is my milestone. I am a Maharashtrian and I am 20 years old. I live in Mumbai. That sums up. That's pretty much about me. So the very first question is, when did you first find out that you had PCOD? What was your reaction, and what are the biggest lifestyle changes that you made in managing PCOS? So for the men and all the girlies who are watching me who do not know anything about PCOD is a polycystic ovarian disease. So you get irregular periods, you get a lot of facial hair, you get a lot of body hair. It's just a very bad thing, but yeah, it's normal. It's very common in most of the girls. It's like a lifestyle disease which on a minute level is reversible, it's curable, but I'm yet to find out a lot more about it. In my second term of my second year, which was in October 2025, मुझे periods नहीं आ रहे थे. I was very tense. Like I'm not even kidding. I was literally so tense that I had to talk to my mom about it. I did not take it really seriously. I was like, आ जाएंगे. November passed, December passed, and I was like, oh my god, I need to see a doctor. My mom knows a gynac, so we visited her and she did my sonography, she did my blood test में सब कुछ normal था, but the sonography report stated that I have PCOD on a very minute level. This shit scares me a lot because मैंने हमेशा मेरे बॉडी को बहुत संभाला है. I used to play sports a lot and मैंने abruptly बंद कर दिया sports, and because of which my lifestyle suddenly changed. I didn't used to work out, I didn't used to go to the gym regularly, I didn't used to run as much as I do right now on the treadmill. So वो lifestyle changes की वजह से I got diagnosed with PCOD. When I got to know about it in the beginning, I was like, I freaked out AF. I was like, this was not what I wanted. Now that it has happened to me, I've started taking care of my health a lot more than I used to before. I've started eating healthy. I've stopped consuming coffee. I'm lactose intolerant, so coffee with milk is like literally it gets super heavy. I get a lot of acne on my face and it's just not it. So I feel like coffee was one of my major addictions that I've stopped. So if you're lactose intolerant like me, I know what you're going through. The next question is, what are you studying and what are your plans after graduation? So I am studying BA in economics. It's my last semester and I'm graduating this year in April. I don't know my plans as of yet, but I'm surely doing my masters. I don't know which college as of yet, but I'm doing my masters mostly in marketing. And marketing is something that interests me a lot because I have opted for economics. So I feel like marketing really makes sense. अब मुझे पता नहीं है कि marketing कौन से college में करने वाली हूँ, because college plays a very important role. University that you do your post graduation from really matters a lot. Yeah, I'm doing BA in economics currently. What is your current favorite scent? By the way, love you. Now this is a question. I love you too. My favorite scent of all time is the Victoria's Secret's Bombshell. I know it doesn't stay on your body for really long. Sorry, I'm in my pajamas. But yeah, it doesn't stay on your body for so long. It just vanishes within like 2-3 hours. But the smell is to die for. I gifted this to my mom on her birthday, and it's the best perfume ever. The second favorite and my all-time favorite perfume is Victoria's Secret's Bear perfume. I just love it. I know it's on a luxury side. I know it's for the small bottle is for 7,000. If you can invest in a good perfume, please go for it. It's just so good. It stays on your body for like more than 12 hours, and I just cannot stop bragging about it. It's just so good. If you're looking for like budget friendly perfumes, the Plum's Body Loving Vanilla Caramello is a good buy. And if you layer it with your the Vanilla Caramello body lotion, it's the best. It's the best. For those of you who do not like caramel scents, I don't think this one would be for you. I'm girly, very very girly, so I like caramel, vanilla. I love those scents very much. Next question is, how did you become a content creator, or your journey as a content creator? Lots of love to you. Thank you. Lots of love to you too. I started content creation in the year 2022, as I said, and content creation is not easy. So now मेरे पढ़ाई के साथ साथ मुझे content भी manage करना पड़ता है, and I do it all by myself. I don't have a team who would support me, obviously. So I edit, I shoot, I plan, I execute everything on my own. It's honestly a big task. There's also a question कि did you feel like quitting YouTube or Instagram? And there was no such time where I felt like I should be quitting content creation. जब तुम्हारे हिसाब से चीजें नहीं हो रही है, so you have to make sure that you're staying positive. And I like to believe that everything happens for a reason. तो मेरी back of the mind वो चलता ही रहता है कि this might be happening for a reason. तो मुझे गुस्सा नहीं करना है, मुझे मेरा temper ice पे रखना है. So coming back to the question, I've never felt like I wanted to quit content creation whatsoever. Now that I'm earning through content, I feel like I hadn't thought about this ever in my life. इतने कम उम्र में, touch wood, इतने कम उम्र में मैं कमाने लगूंगी. I never thought of it ever in my life. So yeah, I am very very grateful to God, and I'm really very proud of myself to be achieving whatever I am today. I never thought of quitting YouTube or Instagram or content creation in general. And yeah, I started content creation in 2022, and since then I've been creating content and entertaining you guys. The next question is, have you straightened your hair, or it is like this only? Okay, let me show you. This is what my hair looks like. It's natural. मैंने कोई color नहीं करवाया कभी भी अपने life में. It's natural. सिर्फ मैंने बहुत सारे हेयर कट करवाए हैं, बहुत. ये नेचुरली एयर ड्राइड है. आई गॉट अ हेयर कट in December 2025 before my birthday. That was a long layer cut with curtain bangs भी अभी almost चले गए. I've never had any hair spas done. This is my natural hair. I've never done any chemical treatment because I feel like it really damages my hair. मुझे स्ट्रेटनर की एक्चुअली ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी कभी, क्योंकि मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा, हद से भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेट है. Are you in a relationship? Do you have a boyfriend? What about the previous one? Did you end things with him? Okay, so मैंने I think लास्ट वीडियो में भी ये क्लैरिफाई किया था कि I broke up with my ex. हमारे बीच things weren't all right, and I think I had to take the step to break up. It was not a mutual decision, obviously, but yeah, somehow the other way I had to move on in life. We don't talk to each other now. We're not like good friends or like best friends or whatever, but yeah, he calls me once in a while. We speak with each other, and yeah, that's all about it. I did end things with him because things weren't going in the right direction. Yeah, that's all that I want to share. I am a PCOD girly as well. Can you suggest some PCOD friendly meals that I can eat daily? By the way, love you so much. I love your content. Thank you so much. So as far as PCOD is concerned, I feel like मुझे diagnose हुए 3-4 महीने कुछ हुए, 5 महीने हुए, नहीं 3 महीने हुए, कितने महीने हुए, 3 महीने हुए. जब से मेरा PCOD का जर्नी चालू हुआ है, तब से I haven't had a lot of changes in my diet. बाहर का नहीं खाने से बहुत ज़्यादा अपने लाइफस्टाइल पे फर्क पड़ता है. So the number one thing that you should do or you can do to improve your health or your lifestyle is to stop eating outside food. That's the biggest thing that I swear by. My gut health has started improvising, and I feel like it's the number one thing that you can do. I'm not saying completely band karo, but at least week में तुम 5 दिन घर का खाना खाओ, maybe 2 दिन तुम बाहर का खाओ. Secondly, you have to include protein in your everyday diet. तो lunch में मैं रोटी सब्जी खाती हूँ. I only consume 1 roti and a lot of rice. Breakfast में I eat पोहा, I eat उपमा, I eat बेसन का चिल्ला, eggs. बहुत कुछ खाती हूँ मैं breakfast में. So here's a list of everything that I include or I have as my breakfast. Breakfast में मैं breakfast के साथ कभी कभी smoothies भी पी लेती हूँ. Now for lunch, I have this really nice packed meal which includes 1 roti, homemade sabzi, be it masoor or moog or matki, all the sprouts. It's the best form of protein. Chole, rajma, aloo ki sabzi, bhindi. I eat everything. I eat every other vegetable. I also like doodhi a lot. Like I love doodhi, and it's the best vegetable that you can eat while you're dealing with PCOD or PCOS. And then I eat dal, which is another good source of protein, and also a lot of salad. Now salad is something that you cannot skip. Salad khana is बहुत ज़रूरी. I eat beetroot, कच्चा नहीं पका हुआ. I eat carrot, I eat cucumber, and I also eat onions. This is what my salad का bowl looks like. And rice मैं पोर्शन में नहीं खाती हूँ because I love eating rice. तो मैं कभी इतना सा खाती हूँ, कभी राइस स्किप कर देती हूँ, या फिर कभी I eat बहुत सारा राइस. So yeah, that's what my lunch looks like. Snacks में I sometimes consume chai, or maybe अगर कुछ नहीं मन रहा खाने का तो I just skip my snacks का break. Honestly, you shouldn't be skipping snacks का thing. You should be eating something or the other because PCOD and PCOS में 4 घंटों में खाना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And dinner के लिए of course I have a lot of options. Maybe I make eggs for dinner. I consume curd rice or I eat खिचड़ी. बहुत सारे options है. डोसा, पराठा, मेथी पराठा, पालक पराठा, and yeah, I sometimes when I go out, I eat chatpata खाने का जब मन हो तब. So this is what like 6 days of my week looks like. And the easiest thing that you can do is staying hydrated. Like drink 7 liters of water every single day. I don't know what you're going through. I don't know. तुम्हारे घर पे पानी नहीं, मेरे घर पे आ जाओ भाई पीने के लिए. लेकिन please drink water. It's the most important thing. Last bit of my video. मेरे पैर दुख रहे हैं यार. I might do a part 2 because बहुत सारे questions are left unanswered. But the last question is, Anushka, which books are you reading currently? Please give me recos. Wow, I love this question, man. मैं ना पहले books नहीं पढ़ती थी. I was not like a book reader. अब मैं नहीं पढ़ती थी books and I used to be like, क्यों लोग पढ़ रहे हैं यार books? इधर पढ़ाई की books नहीं पढ़े जा रहे हैं. लोग क्या मतलब fiction and story books पढ़ रहे हैं. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था यार इनका logic. But when I started reading books, like reading books after maybe 12th standard, मुझे books से प्यार हो गया. Now I don't sleep without reading like 3-4 pages of my book. Book reading is something that you बहुत बकबक कर रही हूँ ना मैं. Anyway, book recommendations चाहिए ना. So I've been wanting to read this book, Love Hypothesis. I don't know. Please let me know in the comments if this is a good book and if you've read it. I have been seeing so many people read it and talk about it, and I'm like, I am buying this book. तो मुझे अभी Amazon से order करना है book. Love Hypothesis is something really intimate about love, and honestly romance is my favorite genre, and I love romantic books. I love something that has to do with romance. I love it. I love thrillers too. So if you're into thriller, I would say please start with Agatha Christie. Please start with Agatha Christie. She is one of the best authors out there. If you are into romantic novels, or if you love romance as much as I do, please read Colin Hoover. Please, I know you would say it's overrated and Colin Hoover I don't like, but please, मेरे सामने मत बोलना. And if you're into dark romance like I am, please go and read Verity for God's sake. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. And also, please suggest some really fun YouTube ideas that I should be filming. And my exams are near, so I might be studying more than filming. But yeah, and bye-bye. Mwah. Love you guys so much.